This is what I see when I'm stepping out of the door in the morning.
Okay, so today we have a very, very special day. Maria and I had originally bought a table, and it turned out that the color of the table was wrong. So we went to Maestro Gianluca, and him and his team created this exquisite live edge table for us. Maria and I have been waiting with bated breath to get this. We've got the new corduroy seats that we've ordered. They're installing the glass legs, and finally Maria and I will be able to have dinner. We have so many friends coming over, people coming to enjoy the wonderful meal.
Beautiful. Così.
Grandissimo. Tutto bene. So we are now at the most exciting part, where we get to test the chairs. And we think we have this set up properly. We want to make sure there's lots of room for Maria to work around the table. But I think what's most exciting is we originally bought a table for 8 people, and we think we have a table for 10. Grazie. The perfect floating table. Let me grab another chair for you, love.
Anche la di qua.
Do the one on that side. But look at this. Maria picked these magnificent olive-coloured chairs, and we wanted to put the olive-coloured chairs in just to blend some colour into the kitchen. But we have a dining room, and we cannot wait to have friends over to break bread. Wow! Grazie mille, Alessandri. Grazie, grazie.
Prego.
This is fantastic. Exactly what we were looking for. The exciting part, I think, for Maria and I is having a vision for the kitchen, not knowing what it will look like until it's finished. And sitting on the plane, flying back after we bought the house, this room was divided in 2 at the time. Everything was designed, and this is just literally looks exactly the way we planned it. So very excited to share those pictures with you also, but welcome to Villa MarLee. Welcome. Well, second exciting part today, Mondo Convienza has come out, and so we wanted to build furniture into the study and into the guest room because we're trying to optimize the space in both of these rooms. The study is interesting because that's going to be a 3rd bedroom on the primary floor for us. And so the unit will go in, we have a pull-out couch. Let's have a look as the guys start assembling this. Come along with me, Maria. Let's have a look. So we've had some really exciting things happen so far. The couch has come in from, I think it's Maison de Monde or Maison de Monde. But baby, have a quick look at the couch over there for me. And then we have the outstanding team from Mondo Convienza as they start to put together this unit for us and start bringing the whole room together. We really are excited. And so this will be our study. Let me take you this way and you can come and have a look at this. Now the video might be bumpy because Maria's going to dance over everything. But again, we've had so many things come in the last few days. Come on in, Maria. Let's have a look. Again, a beautiful bed, Maison de Monde. I believe this one is the Chesterfield. So Maria and I put that together, put up the mattress yesterday, and you can already see the side tables coming together and the rest of the furniture that's being built out. So excited to share the final pictures of this room, and we just continue to be stunned by the design we originally did. Everything was on paper, in Maria's head. She had an amazing vision for how she wanted this house, and to now see it all come together is simply unbelievable for us. Everything from up there on the fans, these by the way came from Leroy Merlin, and we just love the natural wood blades that are on them, down to the floor which Giuseppe from Floria put together. So this extreme contortionist act is myself, Cleo, and Maria inside a Jeep. Now, we just bought two beautiful, large wingback chairs for the spare room. And the only way we can fit them in the car is to put the passenger seat down a little more than what we probably should, and then put the top of the first wingback in the passenger space, and then for giggles, we'll put Lee and Cleo in the front seat beneath the first wingback chair. We'll let you know if we survive the journey home, but the chairs are well worth it.
Okay, we are home. We just bought chairs. I'm going to see how we squeeze everything, 2 chairs, my amazing husband and the little dog inside. That was crazy. He is right here with a little doggy, see? And now we are going to see how he is going to step out. Look at him, it's a flexible man. The myth, the legend.
I didn't quite realize.
Let me help him. Okay, yeah, he's out.
Victory!
We have chairs. And they're here. And now we have to take them out somehow. This is going to be interesting too. So today I got the door. And we squeeze everything in a car, and now I'm driving with doggy and the door. So I hope my trip to home will be successful. It's about 1 hour drive. Early morning today, 8 a.m. and I'm having another adventure. I'm going to Adriatic Sea, to the Rimini, and I will go and looking for the rug there. We are buying Persian rug. It was the whole story how we find it. I hope it will be nice rug, and then I come back home with a rug. There is the ticket. Il biglietto in Italian. Okay, there is a ticket. And we are ready to go. Very nice road here, so I'm driving through the mountains. I don't know what province I'm driving through. I think, oh, Cleo is waking up. Hello, Cleo. So I think it is Abruzzo or Marche. Don't know for sure. And I have to check on the map, Rimini, and what province it is. I drove on this Bay Road, and I'm curious how much it's going to be. Let's see. I'm putting the ticket inside. Okay. Nice.
Introdurre il denaro, avvicinare la carta al
680.
lettore o introdurre una carta, una tessera o il denaro.
Oh my God! I finally see the sea. There is Adriatic Sea. Few more kilometers and we will be at our point of destination, Rimini. Okay, so this is a little town Rimini by the sea. It's actually famous town because of the music festival. I don't know, guys, if you know that, but I'm kind of right in the middle of the town. Very green, and we are going towards sea. Okay, so this is a Rimini boardwalk. Very nice, clean. It's a lot of beach clubs here, and I think restaurants. So this is my cup of cappuccino. There is my little princess is here too. Cleo, baby. She likes here. She's just enjoying her life. And there is beach. Adriatic Sea. Beach is very nice. It's nice sand here. Cleo, she kind of likes it too. Okay, mission accomplished. There is my carpet. It's actually very, very cool Persian carpet. I squeezed the price a little. It was a little bit of negotiations here and there with the Senior Giorgio. But carpet is here. We did it, we did it, we did it. Ta-da! The carpet in the place. I got Cleo approval too. This is our guest bedroom. So everything is ready here. Even like a big, big cupboard for your clothes. Chairs to sit. The only one thing left, it's we have to put the mirror on the wall. You have picture of Cleo, kind of Cleo. It's not she, but I like that picture. So this is a guest bedroom. Guest bathroom. Today I hope they will come and mount this, the furniture and the sink. So this is only one thing left to finish. This is our second bedroom / study. So it have cupboards, it have sofa bed, a lot of working stuff still here, but it will come together. And yesterday I bought very cute monks playing cards. They are very cute. There is a little dog here, not included in the bedroom. She is mine. Cleo! Yes, she is mine. From here we are going to living room, carpet, sofa, etc. My muscles is like killing me now. I've been carrying all of this stuff around. It's like kind of heavy stuff. So sofa, there is a chairs we bought. I think they looks cool. The wings I brought from America. Very nice view from here, early morning, like 7 a.m. Very nice from here. And now let's go and see my favorite room. It is kitchen. I think kitchen like become very nice. I'm sorry, I have a little bit of mess here because still working on everything. But this is our table with the glass legs, see? And the hood is here. All appliances is here. I cooked a little. This is my chair. At least I sitting here and I'm looking at Betona. So in this house, I think it's all about views. Cleo have her own house now. See, she is very comfy there. Cleo is doing second-hand stores too. She loves shopping. She just walking around everywhere with me. And then she's sitting barricaded by the chairs. Another day, another treasure. I just got these two chairs from the second-hand store. Each of them was 40 euros, which I think it's just like a bargain, like a treasure. So I'm taking them home. I will put them in a study, I think. All of this, it's called Valle di Umbra, or Valle di Umbria. So it is valley between these hills and mountains. So Assisi is there and Perugia is over there. Nice and quiet here. They put these very nice lights. So at the night it's very magical. It's not dark, it's lighted and magical. She's listening the church bell. Very interesting how she is reacting. There is my little cappuccino in a piazza in Italy. Life is not bad. I'm still walking through little streets of Bitona. La Corte di Bitona. There is restaurant and a hotel. This is the entry to the restaurant. Over here. I've been here a few times. It's very nice. I sit over there. And there is their pool. And the view. Yeah, it's definitely Bitona balcony. Different day, different story. The same second-hand market in Foligno. And now I got the bed for 30 euros for our friends who is coming to visit us in December. We need a bed, so 30 euros, it's not bad for the bed. Now I'm going to close the doors and drive like a crazy with the bed home. So this is the life of American Ukrainian expat in Italy. Hey, what can be better? Just sit here, enjoy the view, cup of coffee or maybe glass of wine, or just simply enjoy the life here.
Мы едем на концерт Би-2.
Да, сегодня будем плясать.